For my OB project, I'm creating a health teaching video on nourishing your baby's growth, focusing on breastfeeding and beyond. Although she declined my request for an on-camera appearance, she kindly agreed to share her ultrasound pictures and prenatal checkup records as evidence of her pregnancy.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Bridget Mayton Macdang Aduca, a student midwife at ISPSC Main Campus. So, I am here today to share some information on nourishing your baby's growth and providing guidance on proper breastfeeding techniques. So, may kaman mga sikog mato yun, ma'am?
First baby,
Oh, first baby. Manubulanan, ma'am?
4 months.
First baby pa lang, ma'am. So, awan pa lang unay ti among proper way of breastfeeding. Awan pa lang unay knowledge mo, ma'am. Ti kwa, hindi ko dapat nga obraon, kasi right. So, why breastfeeding is essential? So, ma'am, breastfeeding is the most natural, nutritious way to feed your baby. It provides essential nutrients and antibodies that help protect your baby's health, especially in the first months of life. Here's why breastfeeding is beneficial. Kasi ma'am, it completes the nutrition of your baby. Breast milk provides all the nutrients your baby needs, including protein, fat, vitamins, and also minerals. It also boosts the immunity of your baby, ma'am. So, breast milk strengthens your baby's immune system and reduces the risk of infections and diseases. Iso nga importante talaga mamiti breast milk. And it also promotes bonding. Breastfeeding creates a unique bond between mother and baby, supporting emotional and physical connection. At dapat lang ti benefits na kanyang ma'am ti panag-breastfeed mo iti baby. Kasi breastfeeding helps your body heal after childbirth. It reduces the risk of certain cancers and also helps you maintain healthy weight. Di ba ko na ma'am ko first baby pa lang iso nga. Agi-share na mo ti some information ti panag-breastfeed. How to breastfeed step by step. Timo na ma'am, get comfortable. Find a relaxed, comfortable position. Nang nagusar iti pillow, no breastfeed ka, di pang ma'am, pang sarap kami di baby, kasi or pang support mo di baby. Okay, so latching on. Gently bring your baby to your breast, di tayo isusumam. Aiming for the baby's nose to be level with your nipple. Also ensure their mouth opens wide and the nipple and portion areola are inside. Among areola, di ba ma'am? Ajay, di pagsusuan ni baby. Nipple. Kasi ma'am, a good latching ensure that breastfeeding is comfortable and effective. Tapos ensure mo ma'am nga, adati malala nga breast milk aji baby. Also ma'am, feeding time. Let your baby feed for as long as they want on one breast before switching. Kasi ma'am, newborn may feed 8 to 12 times a day. So once your baby is done with one breast, then offer the second breast. It's okay if they want one-sided at a time ngong at gagawin ti chance na mga sugat ati may sama susunod bang bangay lang ti pagsusuan ni baby. So dapat dun lang nga i-practice mo di baby nga kung ano susukot dito'y bangay kasi no may salang mamtot masanay di baby. At dan ti tendency na nga loyalis mo to isunod di bangay nga side dun hanat to kayatan. So dapat mamkot i-practice mo nga agsususunod dito'y bangay dito'y bangay mat lang. And also, ma'am, positioning. Make your baby's head, neck, and spine align and their body is facing you. Avoid forcing your baby's mouth onto the breast, ma'am. Kasi, hanan nga kahit nga isubo, ma'am. Common breastfeeding challenges and solution. So, sore nipples. It is a common issue early on, so ensure your baby is latched properly and dry using lanolin or breast milk to soothe soreness. Engorgement. Di panagdak ko ngayon mang tisusum kasi, di ba? No manakal siya brag, kwati breast milk iso nga your breast may become swollen and painful as milk comes in. So to relieve this, gently massage your breast, apply warm compresses or pump a little milk. Tapnon ano na nga mapuno-puno ata susumam ka. Mabalimot ng pump ka. And also milk supply. Tapnon ma'am kwa, hangin nga basit ti tubog. Makakatang di tubog na. Tapno na nga basit ti tubog na kasusum, you have to stay hydrated, rest, and breastfeed often to help stimulate milk production. If concerned, you can talk to a lactation consultant or isayin ti doctor mo ma'am. Also, fussiness or gassiness. Babies can sometimes be fussy during gas or change in diet. So you can try burping your baby after each feeding and watch what foods you eat. Kasi ajikan ka ng ma'am, hapasay nagpaspasuso ka, ajikan ka ng ma'am, adamot lang ti effect na. So you have to, kailangan mo lang ma'am nga mga ti nutritious foods, crush right. And also breastfeeding and your lifestyle. Ato yun mong di bagbagak nga kanong diet and nutrition. A well-balanced diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can support milk production and quality. Also, you have to stay hydrated, ma'am. Hydration is important kasi adequate hydration is essential for milk production, so drink plenty of water. Rest and relaxation. Of course, ma'am, kailangan mo natati ag-rest and ag-relax. Getting enough rest and managing stress can help support milk production and your overall well-being. Also, breastfeeding friendly environment. Kailangan mo ma'am create more comfortable and private space. No, paspasuso ka ma'am kasi it can make you at ease as a mother. Also, exercise, ma'am. Importante mo lang tipa nag-exercise. Kasi ako mga pag-naka, stretch basit, kasi ma'am. Kasi it can help you with your recovery and keep you healthy while breastfeeding. Dahil nga, ma'am, iti benefits na iti breastfeeding and dahil common breastfeeding challenges skin, ti step-by-step ti panagpasuso. Adagard ma'am ti kahit mga damagan or i-clarify?
Pwede formula milk, bakit mabaling nga ipasuso?
Mabaling ma'am, as much as possible, i-recommend kami diti doctors kat breastfeeding pa nga manunag lalo no 1-year-old to 2-year-old ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, Garot ma'am, and have a safe delivery.